So we've got 6 new interesting updates about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, plus something crazy. While we thought the S25 Ultra would have the thinnest bezels ever, another company has stepped up and shattered that record with even thinner bezels, pushing smartphone design to a whole another level. What's up guys, Sal here. So first up, the color options for the S25 Ultra have now been revealed. According to Universe, the S25 Ultra is gonna come in 4 colors: black, blue, green, and titanium. Those are just the regular options. Samsung will also offer some exclusive online-only colors, but we don't know what those will be yet. For comparison, the S24 Ultra came in yellow, violet, titanium, and black, so it looks like blue and green are replacing yellow and violet this time around. The Z Fold 6 had a blue option too, and we saw green with the S22 Ultra. So it's possible Samsung sticks with those shades for the S25 Ultra. We'll just have to wait and see. Next up, remember in the last video, we found out the S25 Ultra's camera lenses will look similar to the Z Fold 6's, but not exactly the same. What if I said how Samsung hired an ex-Mercedes-Benz designer, paid millions to him, and all he did was put car tires on this phone? Anyway, we now have a new render to show exactly how the S25 Ultra's camera lenses would look, and while it still has that car tire look, it's not as pronounced as the Z Fold 6, which is good news. The sensor layout though is the same as the S24 Ultra. Moving along, more screen protector leaks are floating around, giving us an idea of how these phones will fit in your hand. But honestly, we've seen enough of those, so let's move on to the next bit. The S25 Ultra is also going to be the first phone to run One UI 7. A few weeks ago, we got a preview of the software showing some major changes Samsung has made. But turns out that wasn't the final version. Samsung has made even more updates since then, including new app icons, animations, and interface tweaks. Basically, most of the icons from the developer event are getting swapped out for newer ones. For example, remember that rainbow colored gallery icon everyone hated? It's gone, replaced by the old red icon. Other icons like the ones for the phone, camera, recorder, contacts, and Samsung Notes are all being updated too. It's nice to see Samsung listening to the user feedback, which doesn't happen with big companies all that often. Props to them for making the changes people wanted. Now, if you're into customizing your phone, you'll be happy to hear that One UI 7 is supercharging Good Lock with new options. For those who don't know, Good Lock is Samsung's customization app, and now you'll be able to change the animation style in One UI 7. You'll have 2 options, one that mimics the animation on Google's Pixel phones and another called the scent of a certain fruit, which, let's be honest, we all know means iPhone-like animations. But that's not all. One UI 7 will also include simple tuning, where you can adjust animation speed with a slider. If you want more control, advanced tuning lets you fine-tune everything from the animation duration to the scale, blur, and more. This is seriously next-level customization, and as someone who's always loved the smooth animation on Pixel and iPhones, I'm really excited to test this out on the S25 Ultra. Some of you might be wondering, will the One UI 7 experience be different on the S25 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra? Well, it looks like it. The S25 Ultra is gonna have 16GB of RAM and a much faster chip, so the software will run smoother and faster. Universe even shared some numbers showing how much better the S25 Ultra will be in terms of smoothness, responsiveness, and animation stability. It's not a huge difference, but it's there. Finally, let's talk about bezels. There's a new Nubia phone that just leaked, and it's rocking some insanely thin bezels, like 1 to 2 millimeters thin. People were saying the S25 Ultra would have the thinnest bezels ever, but man, this Nubia phone takes it to a whole another level, even putting the likes of the S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max to shame. The only catch is launching in China only. Now, the official teaser of the Z Fold 6 Ultra is out. Click here to watch the video, and I'll see you there.